Hello everyone! Today, we'll demonstrate the process of developing a complete project using Easy Accomplish. We'll use a camera control example and walk through each step in detail. Preparation. First, confirm the type of control interface and the API command list for the camera. In this example, the camera uses RS-232 to control. Next, complete the hardware setup. Ensure the PC and the central control system are connected to the same LAN. Direct connection is also an option. Connect the camera's RS-232 port to the RS-232 port on the central control device. Once the hardware setup is complete, we can start configuring the central control system. Create a new project. Open the Easy Accomplish software and click on New. Enter the project name, select the model of the processor, and search for and select the device's IP address. Set the save path for the project file, click Confirm, and you'll be directed to the project configuration interface. UI Design. After setting up the basic information, the software will automatically navigate to the UI Design section. Drag and drop the required components from the component in the bottom left corner onto the canvas. Configure the properties of the components to achieve the desired interface layout. Assign action logical numbers to the for buttons. And rename the buttons as needed for better identification in later steps. Logic configuration. Next, we move to the logical design section to set up the control logic. The control logic for this example is, when a directional button is pressed, the system sends the corresponding directional control command to the camera via the serial port. When the button is released, the system sends a stop command. These steps are as follow. Add the following three modules: UI Action Module, Send Command Module, and COM Module. In the UI Action Module, click Sync to synchronize the pre-assigned action logical numbers from the UI Design interface. In the Send Command Module, add command lines and input the camera's 4 directional control commands and the stop command. In the COM Module, configure the parameters for serial communication, such as baud rate. Connect the nodes of these 3 modules according to the control logic to complete the configuration. Upload the project. Click the Upload button in the top left corner to upload the project file to the central control system. Once the upload is successful, access the central control touchscreen interface. Test the control. Press the directional buttons, and you'll see the camera move as expected. Release the button, and the camera stops moving. By following these steps, you can easily complete the entire process from project creation to functional implementation. Thank you for watching.